Dumpster rental service in Bon Aqua, Tennessee. Tandem Disposal is your go-to choice for dumpster rental service in Bon Aqua, Tennessee. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, we offer dumpsters of all sizes to suit your needs. We take pride in delivering prompt, reliable service to ensure your project goes smoothly from start to finish. Our dumpsters are available for residential and commercial projects, and we work with you to find the right fit. At Tandem Disposal, customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we're committed to providing an easy and convenient waste disposal experience. Our professional team is here to help with timely delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. We offer affordable prices with no hidden fees, so you can count on us for transparent and reliable service. Call us at 615-390-1129 to book your dumpster rental in Bon Aqua, Tennessee. We're ready to assist you with whatever your waste management needs. Let us handle the waste removal hassle so you can focus on your project. For all your dumpster rental needs in Bon Aqua, always trust Tandem Disposal for reliable, affordable, and professional service.